how to draw a perfect Easter egg with a ruler and a set square and a compass. Let's not talk about it. Let's do it. An egg is a really simple shape, and it's a simple object, and it seems to be quite simple for chickens to lay them and create them. And they make simple meals, and everything is kind of easy about eggs. So let's see if we can make this easy. I should have not concentrating. So we want to draw a line across there, and we can just put our vertical in to start off with. So we got 90 degrees, and then we want to get our compass and get the point right in the middle where the vertical hits the horizontal. Choose a width, it doesn't matter. You can choose a width that you particularly want. This is going to be a radius of a circle, so let's draw the circle all the way around like that. And then what we want to do is to draw these sort of quadrants like that across there. So from where the horizontal gets intersected by the circle and where the vertical gets intersected, we draw those lines going up like that. So now we want to put the pin in right on the edge of the circle, and we want to extend the compass to the width of the diameter of the circle, and then we're going to draw a curve up so it crosses over that line there. And we're going to do the same on this side, and up we go there like that. You can see the shape is forming. So now what we do is up at this point here, we make the compass smaller so that the width of the compass opening is the same as that line from the center here out to where it crosses over, and then we join, and that is a beautifully constructed egg. So we can now very carefully start inking in the outside. Of course, if you've got a pen that fits onto a compass and all that sort of thing, then you can probably do this even more perfectly. I've got a very wobbly hand here today for some reason, so it's going around a bit wobbly, but what we're trying to do is just draw an egg. So it's sort of a perfect egg drawn in a freehand, inky, wobbly line kind of way. Ooh, there. Now, if you want to make this into an Easter egg, we're going to put a sort of a flower pattern on here. So let's draw these semicircles, and these are going to be the sort of centers of flowers all the way around the outside. And drawing the semicircles first on the outside gives that kind of 3D curve feeling to the whole thing of the flowers, of the petals. So let's do like this, and we'll come all the way around and draw these kind of classic sort of Mary Quant daisy kind of patterns. And you know, you don't have to worry too much about this. You want to give it a little bit of individuality in the kind of style that you do. And then this is where it's difficult sort of fitting them all in. So you have to, you could maybe help yourself by sort of doing things like that to sort of separate them out a bit. And so we'll put like a circle in there and a circle in there. So these are the centers, and one in there, and then we can come all the way around here and draw these petals. And you know, because you've sort of already put your boundaries in there, you know it's going to fit. Pencil sketching sort of beforehand is always a good idea, as long as you do it gently. Don't press too hard, because then it gets really hard to erase those lines and it makes it all a bit messy later. Now if you wanted to, you could also put some smaller ones in there just to kind of fill in those spaces, just to make it a bit more exciting, and just, as I say, to fill up those spaces. And then all you need to do is erase those pencil lines, and no one will know how you managed to draw it so accurately and make it so eggy. Then all you need to do is choose your colour scheme. Now you know how chickens do it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. See you next time.